€299।
तो इंडिया में तो मेरे को लगता है कि 100-200 के आसपास मिलती होगी शायद। तो कमेंट में करके बताना कि इंडिया में कितने की है ये चार्जिंग केबल एक्चुअली। What do you want to say?
Hi guys, we're going to the Gifi and buying a charger for Papa.
तो गाइज अभी मैं आया हूँ यहाँ पे जीफी है, ये शॉप है जीफी गिफ्ट शॉप है एक्चुअली। तो यहाँ पे मैं अभी आया हूँ, अपने आईफोन की केबल चार्जिंग ख़राब हो गई, तो अंदर चल के देखते हैं कि क्या प्राइस है चार्जिंग केबल की। ट्राई करते हैं तारा। ये लेट्स गो। ये आ गई जीफी। Oh, they have yeah.
They changed the place.
Yeah.
A little bit they changed the. They a little bit changed the line things.
Really?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. What is this squishmallows? And look at this. What is this doing here? It's
This
not
is
even.
blanket.
It's not even Christmas.
Yeah, it's not even Christmas yet.
It's not even Christmas still. Why is this grass? Because it's just for outside.
Fake grass.
Yeah, it's just for outside. Look at these roots. Some things actually break here.
Well, we need to find a charger.
Yeah, stop sleeping like that.
Let's look for the iPhone charger.
Well, it's not time for sleeping. No.
Oh, let me see these pens actually. Oh, €19.
We cannot buy that. That's too expensive.
Oh, ये plated dishes आ गई यार।
They have cleaned it.
Oh, this is cheap actually. €2 only. €2 for the box.
Why not buying that? Why they even have?
Oh, French fries or something. French fries machine. €84.
Oh my! You're just not concentrating on. You're not concentrating on just looking for chargers.
Oh, look hut.
Oh yeah. This is doghouse.
Dog house?
Yeah.
Ah, it's saying even. Dog house.
Hey, look, that would be perfect for Nami.
Ah, this one you think?
No, not that. This.
Ah, what is this? Ah, to play with the NAMASTE, yeah. With the cat.
Yeah, that was this is for cat. We always have a cat.
Oh, you beans, देखो dustbin.
But that would be too big. That Nummy's too big. That is really small. Nummy's too big. Look at him there. This way.
Let's go, guys. Bali,
That way.
this way. Chale.
Look that way.
Oh, nice chairs.
This way.
Oh, this one is nice.
€299. Ladybug, ladybug, ladybug. What?
Here is the chargers, guys.
This is cost €14. That's cheap. Look here. Hey, Papa. Look what
€7. 7.99. €8 की केबल है। ऑलमोस्ट ₹650 के आसपास हो गई ये केबल, और ओरिजिनल भी नहीं है। तो कमेंट में करके बताना कि इंडिया में कितने की है ये चार्जिंग केबल एक्चुअली। यहाँ पे हो गई, यहाँ ₹650 की, €8 की है। तो इंडिया में तो मेरे को लगता है कि 100-200 के आसपास मिलती होगी शायद, पता नहीं, बहुत टाइम हो गया खरीदे हुए। बाकी पहले ख़रीदा था तो ₹100 की मिलती थी शायद, ये चार्जिंग केबल चार्जर नहीं, ओनली चार्जिंग केबल। यहाँ पे €8 की। चलो, यस आई हैव द चार्जिंग केबल। लेट्स गो एंड पे।
This way.
Yes. Oh, small caddies for the kids.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Oh,
I don't know. He's staring. Oh, you had this before. You had this. Yeah.
Let's go to the cashier and pay.
Hey, look at that. Big lollipops. They're fake.
Oh, big lollipop. Yeah.
That's fake.
Fake?
Yeah, that's really.
Tara, you wanna hold?
Hey.
You wanna hold? Charge it, okay? Just hold like that.
Whoa.
Wait.
Hey, Papa, look at this. What is this? Oh, this is dust. Oh, they only have 3 lollipops left. Papa, look. They have 3 lollipops.
Yeah, we don't need them.
They have 1 gum left, the chocolate one. Yeah.
Bonjour. Let's go.
Vous avez la carte du magasin?
No.
Merci.
Merci. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Now, Tara, give me this. Give me. तो गाइज़ ये केबल ले लिए, ये ऑलमोस्ट 650 रुपये के आसपास है, 8 यूरो की। तो कमेंट में करके ज़रूर बताना कि इंडिया में अभी क्या कॉस्ट हो रखी है इसकी, या फिर और जो भी कंट्री में आप रहते हैं तो बताना। यहाँ पे तो 650 रुपये की है, 8 यूरो की। और वहाँ पे आप कमेंट करके बताइए कि ये केबल कितने की, ओरिजिनल नहीं है, डुप्लीकेट है। तो चाओ चाओ।